Okay, here is the pre-chorus and chorus of Another Fresh Cut. Drop A. All right. The way I play it, which might be a little different from what Dave says, but this is my interpretation of what he plays. Now, normally he starts the pre-chorus off at the 11th fret. I guess that would be A flat, barring the low A, the E, and the middle A. I like to play it at the 4th fret because I don't like hand movements and whatnot. So if you want to play it at the 11th fret, go for it. You want to play it at the 4th fret, go for it. You can do whatever you want. So anyway, so it starts at the 4th fret, and then you bar at the 7th fret, and then you bar at the 4th fret on the low A, E, and middle A. So, and that's the first time through. The second time through, you do the 4th fret, then you bar at the 7th fret, then you hit an A chord. So either the low E, or the low A, the low E, and the middle A, which is what I usually do, or Dave, I think, bars at the 5th fret on the E string, or does a power chord at the 5th fret on the E string, and the open A. So, and the way this chorus parts go, it's like you get 1 2/3 of each part before it changes into another part. So to give you an example, it's 2, 3, that's 1, 1, 2, and then change to the open A for the second part starting. So that is A, and then 4th fret barred on the low A, E, and middle A, and then go back to the open A power chord, and then 4th fret again, but instead of going back to the A, you drop it down to the 2nd fret, which is, I believe, B, duh, and then open A, and then back to the 4th fret again, 2nd fret, and like I said, 2/3, 1 2/3. The next part starts on would be the third part. I know that's confusing as fuck. Sorry, but instead of going back to the open A, you go up to the 7th fret and bar there on the low A, the E, and the middle A, and then pull off to the open A. It's kind of like an interesting pattern. I haven't quite gotten it exactly how Dave plays it, so you and I can settle up on it, really. It's... Alright, so the whole chorus and the whole pre-chorus and the whole chorus goes like this. Together, you always acting on top. A, 4th fret here, it's over, a chance to open A, weigh the odds, then go to 4, 2, open, then back to 4, then 2, then go up to 7 for the open E. That's the chorus and the pre-chorus. I'll play the whole thing for you without me voicing it so I can actually play it right. Okay, the bridge part starts barring at the 4th fret, and then go up to the D string at the 6th fret, then go to the A string, the 7th fret, then the 6th fret on the A string, then go back to the 4th fret, do the jump, then on the A string at the 6th fret, 6, 7, and 9. So Then you bar at the 7th fret to get that E, and then there's like an eighth note rest in between the bar, like the ja-dum dum. The way I play it then after that is I do like a hammer on from the 7th to the 9th fret of the low A, E, and mid A. So that's 7, 9, 7, 6, 7, 9. 7, 6, 7. And then I repeat that. So it's and that's repeated 3 times. Once I do it by myself. If you want to do it, that's fine. We can settle that up between us. But it's and after the 3rd time, it hangs on the 9. It doesn't do the 7, 6, 7 bit. It just hangs on the 9, and then I think for 2 or 3 beats, and then it goes up to 11, which goes into the I don't wanna dream it's over, a chance to wear the odds. The chorus. So, and that's where I think before I was doing it alone. If you want to do it, I don't care. I'm easy. So, again, I'll play the entire bridge part. So that's that bit there at the end after you bar on the 7th fret. So here's the whole thing. Back into the chorus. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll work it out. Yeah. So hope that helps.